Okay, ji, thank you. Okay, ji, Assalamu alaikum, everybody. I hope so that you guys are fine, having a good health, and enjoying the life as well. So, before still asking the thing or starting the lecture, I want to ask this question again: that how are you all? Instead of happening something or realizing something like that. So, my main question to you right now is that how are you? How many of you are connected? Say yes in the comment if you can listen me. Fine, okay, fine, fine, fine. I can see a lot of people, but keep in mind that when I take a language classes at that time, you have to communicate with me on the back. If you are not speaking, if you are not communicating, I would have realized that you are there rather than that. So, wow, like approximately 17 candidates are there, but in short, 35 are connected. But से यस इन द कमेंट जी, जरा मुझे पहले प्रेजेंस तो शो करें। ये 35 लोग कौन है हमारे साथ? मुझे 35 यस तो आए तो मैं क्लास शुरू करूँ ना। लैंग्वेज की क्लास में मैं आपको चुप करके साइलेंट लिसनर्स बना के तो नहीं बिठा सकती। मुझे जरा यस कहें कि वाकई सुन भी रहा है कोई मुझे, या बस ऐसे ही कनेक्ट करके मोबाइल साइड पे रख के बैठ गए हैं सब। ओके जी, अब थोड़ा सा अंदाजा हो रहा है कि somebody is listening me। अच्छा, everyone's chat is not open जी, सबके लिए everyone ही है जी, हर बंदा रिप्लाई कर सकता है। I did everyone। ओके फाइन। तो जनाब, मेरे ख्याल से हम बड़ा कुछ पढ़ चुके हैं। हम लोगों ने बड़ी डिटेल में पढ़ लिया था अपने प्रीवियस लेक्चर्स में कि आपने अपना एक्सेंट कैसे बिल्ड करना है, हम पढ़ चुके हैं। आपने अपनी फ्लुएंसी कैसे बढ़ानी है और किस तरह से अपनी फ्लुएंसी को इम्प्रूव करना है, हम वो भी पढ़ चुके हैं। हम पढ़ चुके हैं कि हमें बोलने के लिए कौन-कौन से पैटर्न्स यूज़ करने हैं, इंटोनेशंस, अप, राइज़ एंड फॉल, तो हम वो भी पढ़ चुके हैं। हम अ, उसके अलावा जो है वो लैंग्वेज में जिस तरह से हम वेरिएशंस लेके आते हैं, किस तरह से हमने लैंग्वेज को यानी कि स्टार्ट में बोलना होता है और किस तरह से आप एक जुमले को, एक लफ्ज़ को, एक साउंड को डिफरेंट तरह से बोल सकते हैं, हम वो भी पढ़ चुके हैं। फिर हमने पढ़ा कि हमारी वोकैब्युलरी कितनी स्ट्रॉन्ग होनी चाहिए या किस हद तक हो या फिर किस पैनल तक रह के हमने जो है वो अपनी वोकैब्युलरी पे काम करना है। तो मुझे वैसे वो रिसीव तो बड़ी कम हुई है जी असाइनमेंट, बल्कि मुझे तो ख़ैर एक आधे बंदे की देखी है मैंने। वो वॉशरूम वाली वोकैब्युलरी कितने लोगों ने किया है उसके ऊपर काम? मुझे पहले ये तो बताएँ ज़रा। आई थिंक आई हैव असाइन्ड यू अबाउट दैट असाइनमेंट ना, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग। क्या आप लोग मुझे मैसेजेस नहीं सेंड कर सकते? क्या कोई इश्यू आ रहा है? क्योंकि चैट इतनी कम क्यों है? इश्यू आ रहा है? मिस अनीला, अगर आप बैक पे हैं तो काइंडली चेक कीजिएगा कि स्टूडेंट्स मुझसे कम्युनिकेट क्यों नहीं कर पा रहे।
ओके मैम, मैं स्टूडेंट्स को गाइड कर देती हूँ। मोस्टली स्टूडेंट्स आप लोगों के मैसेज जो है वो प्राइवेटली आ रहे हैं, ठीक है? आप लोग काइंडली चेक करें, आप लोगों के पास सेंड टू के पास ऑप्शन होगा एवरीवन का, आप उस पर क्लिक करेंगे, देन आपके मेंटोर को आपकी चैट शो होगी। एक मिनट रुकिएगा, मैं अगेन चेक कर लेती हूँ। अब आप सब लोग काइंडली चेक करें। वैसे मैम आप होस्ट थी, आपको फिर भी मेरे ख्याल से नहीं शो हो पा रहा था, मैंने पीछे प्राइवेसी चेंज किया। स्टूडेंट्स काइंडली एवरीवन के पास ऑप्शन, सेंड टू के पास एवरीवन का ऑप्शन होगा, उस पर क्लिक करेंगे तो आपके मेंटोर को, सब स्टूडेंट्स को आपकी चैट शो होगी। इस इंस्ट्रक्शन को फॉलो करें। मैम मैं आपको होस्ट अगेन बना रही हूँ।
Okay, ji, thank you so much, Miss Anila, for guiding us and providing us a quite detail about it. Okay, I hope so जी आप तमाम लोगों को मेरे क्वेश्चंस के आंसर देने में कोई मसला नहीं होगा। So let me know about it. Have you done that assignment जो कि मैंने आपको दी थी, that you have to visit your washroom और उससे रिलेटेड सारी वोकैब्युलरी मुझे बतानी है आप लोगों ने। असल में मुझे नहीं पता ना, मेरी वोकैब्युलरी बहुत वीक है, तो मैंने सोचा था थोड़ी सी आप लोगों से हेल्प आउट हो जाएगी। वालेकुम अस्सलाम सबको जी, वालेकुम अस्सलाम। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया कि आप लोग सबके सब इस वक्त कनेक्टेड है। नाउ जस्ट लेट्स कम बैक टू द पॉइंट। तो ये बताइए जी, वो सबमिट क्यों नहीं हुई? मुझे तो पेज पे इतनी ज्यादा किसी की असाइनमेंट नहीं नजर आई, बल्कि मुझे तो बैच 40 की कोई असाइनमेंट नजर ही नहीं आई वहां पे, जिसपे मैं गेस कर पाती कि आप लोगों ने काम किया भी है या नहीं। आई डन इट असाइनमेंट बट आई कांट सबमिट फेसबुक पेज। क्यों जी, आप क्यों नहीं कर सकती? पेज प्राइवेट पेज पे नहीं करना था जी, ये लर्निंग विद अर्निंग के ऑफिशियल ग्रुप में करना था। चलें जी, वेल एंड गुड। ओके, सो द थिंग इज दैट हम पढ़ चुके हैं जी सारी चीजें। जो कुछ मैं बता रही हूँ, क्या आपने ये सब कुछ पढ़ा है? क्योंकि वैसे तो मैंने ये सब कुछ पढ़ाया है। नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज दैट कि क्या आपने पढ़ा है? व्हाटएवर आई वाज जस्ट स्पीकिंग बिफोर दैट। अभी छोड़ दें, अभी मेथड छोड़ दें फिलहाल, जरा आज के लेक्चर पे आते हैं। टाइम बचेगा तो फिर मेथड देखेंगे जी। अभी जरा फिलहाल लेक्चर पे आते हैं, जरा थोड़ा सा लेक्चर हैवी है आज का, सो लेट्स डिस्कस इट अबाउट। सो लेट मी नो जी, मैंने अभी बहुत सारी चीजें गिनवाई। मैंने कहा हमने पैटर्न्स पढ़े, अपने पहले लेक्चर में हमने पढ़ा था कि आपने किस तरह से साउंड्स को डिफरेंशिएट करना है बोलते हुए। हमने अपने सेकंड लेक्चर में पढ़ा कि हमने बोलते हुए किस तरह से अपनी वॉइस पिच को चेंज करना है और किस तरह से हमने लैंग्वेज के पैटर्न्स को यूटिलाइज करना है। हमने लफ्जों की प्रोनाउंसिएशन पढ़ी कि किस तरह से हमने वर्ड्स को एक्यूरेटली प्रोनाउंस करना होता है। फिर हमने पढ़ा कि जो हमें अपनी लैंग्वेज में फ्लुएंसी का इश्यू आता है, क्यों, इसकी वजह क्या है, एंड हाउ कैन वी कवर अप दैट, हमने ये पढ़ा। फिर हमने पढ़ा कि हाउ कैन वी डेवलप आवर ऑन एक्सेंट, हम अपना नेचुरल तरीके से किस तरह से अपना एक्सेंट डेवलप कर सकते हैं और इसको बेहतर बना सकते हैं, हमने फिर वो पढ़ा। इन द फोर्थ लेक्चर वी हैव लर्नड अबाउट और वोकैबुलरी की किताबों की जान छोड़ के हम किस तरह से नेचुरल वे से अपनी वोकैबुलरी को बढ़ा सकते हैं while doing some practice of all that things। so क्या ये 4 लेक्चर्स मैं तो पढ़ा चुकी हूँ। नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज दैट, क्या आपने पढ़े? क्या आपकी समझ में कुछ आया कि ये चारों चीजें किस तरह से, क्योंकि ये मेजर इश्यूज है ना हमारे सारे के सारे। कितने लोग ऐसे हैं जो इन चारों लेक्चर से रिलेटेड सारी चीजें क्लियर हैं, जो हम 4 लेक्चर्स अभी तक पढ़ चुके हैं? क्या आप कोई ऐसा बंदा जिनको इन 4 लेक्चर्स में कोई इश्यू आ रहा है, जो समझता है कि मिस ये चीजें मुझे नहीं क्लियर हो पाई, मिस ये आपने क्या कराया? कोई ऐसा बंदा है जो 4 लेक्चर्स में मेरे अभी तक क्लियर ना हो कि यार ये पता नहीं क्या पढ़ाई जा रही है, हमारे ऊपर से गुजर रहा है? ठीक है, ओके जी, फाइन, सबको क्लियर है, बहुत अच्छी बात है जी। अच्छा, बहुत सारी नॉलेज मिल गई है आपको। चलें फिर आपको टिमेटोर बना देते हैं भाई, इनकी नॉलेज पूरी हो गई है पक्की पक्की। ये सारे लेक्चर्स हमारी इंग्लिश इंप्रूव करने में बहुत काम दे रहे हैं मैम। ओके, अच्छा ठीक है जी, नहीं कहते। ओके, चलें जी, फिर हम अपना आज का लेक्चर कर रहे हैं शुरू। द थिंग इज दैट आज इन शॉर्ट मैं आप लोगों को कुछ भी नहीं पढ़ाने वाली, रोज एक नई चीज पढ़ा रही हूँ। आज हम कुछ भी नहीं पढ़ने वाले, कीप इन माइंड। मैं कोई लेक्चर नहीं देने वाली आज आपको, किसी किस्म के कोई टॉपिक्स पे बात नहीं होगी। टुडे वी गोना टॉक अबाउट द पोडियम थिंग्स। ओके, दिस इज कॉल्ड पोडियम लेक्चर इन शॉर्ट, पोडियम सेशन कह सकते हैं हम इसको। इस पोडियम सेशन में बेसिकली होगा क्या, मैं आपसे रैंडमली कुछ क्वेश्चंस करूंगी आप तमाम लोगों से। अच्छा सिद्रा, इसकी ना आप जितनी प्रैक्टिस करेंगी ना सिद्रा मिनहाज, ये जो आपके एस्पिरेटेड साउंड है, कि ऐसे ही होगा। तो आज इन शॉर्ट मैं आपका एडवांस लेक्चर्स का डेमो ले रही हूँ, ये समझे। आपकी एडवांस क्लासेस इसके बाद होनी है। 6 लेक्चर्स आपके बेसिक लेवल के, आज हमारा लेक्चर नंबर 5th है। इसके बाद हमारा एक लास्ट लेक्चर होगा और फिर हम अपने एडवांस क्लासेस की तरफ चले जाएंगे, ठीक है। इन शॉर्ट आज आपका एडवांस लेवल का डेमो है। बेसिक का लेवल का मैंने आपको मेरे ख्याल से डेमो पहले दिन दिया था, आज समझिए आपके एडवांस का डेमो चल रहा है। ओके, so let me describe what exactly I'm the thinking and what exactly I want to do today. So today we are going to talk about some topics, and the lecture name is a podium session. Okay, in this podium session, I will open the mic of anybody by your choice. Those who wanna talk to me, I'll open the mic of that person, and that person will talk to me live today. But keep in mind, you guys are bounded to speak in English. I wouldn't allow anybody to speak another language right now with me. And the most important thing is that my voice is not clear. Kindly check it out. Okay, Ji. Can you hear me, guys? Say yes in the comment if my voice is okay. Everyone can get me. Fine. So let me describe what we are going to do today. I will open the mic of anybody by your choice. Those who will say yes in the comment, I'll open the mic of that person. And that I will try to ask us some cross questioning. I will talk about your own family. I'll talk about your some private things like how you have started your life, like something that is related to the personal. It's a quite situational conversation that I want to do today. But keep in mind, we all are bounded to speak in English. I wouldn't switch back my language, and you are not allowed to speak in another language as well. Can you understand my English? If I'm gonna speak anything in English, can you continue it? You're getting it or not? Say yes in the comment if I'm gonna speak anything and continuously I'm using this language. So can you understand me or not? Is there anybody who gonna still feel issue that miss what are you doing? Why are you continuously speaking in English? I couldn't get you right now. Kindly switch back, speak something in or do something in the bilingual thing. So what are you thinking? Are you all guys clear about it or not? Everybody's clear. Fine. So let's begin with the lecture, G. Are you clear about the lecture as well? Say clear if you got it. Say clear in the comment if you got about what we are going to do today. Are you clear? I have described the lecture and can we start now? Okay, G, everyone is clear. So now the thing is that I'll do the cross questioning. Like once I give a chance to the male candidate and after that I'll give a chance to the female candidates. Okay. So let's take a start from the males. Males should say yes in the comment if they want to talk to me. I wanted to get the males yes, not females. Not females. Okay, ji, let's take a start from Mumtaz Baloch. Let's take a start from Mumtaz Baloch. Keep in mind, the more you participate, the more you learn about. I'm going to open the mic of Mumtaz Baloch right now. Mumtaz. Assalamu alaikum, Mumtaz.
Walaikum Assalam.
Mumtaz, how are you?
I am fine, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good as well. Mumtaz, can I ask about anything? Like, have you ever faced any disaster in your life that you have seen live?
What kind of disaster?
Like any natural disaster from the Allah's will? Have you ever seen any natural disaster when you look at that things and it was just unbelievable and you couldn't forget that disasters and it was like, oh my God. So have you ever faced any kind of things in your life?
I think 1 year ago,
Mm-hmm.
I one
What
year
happened?
ago,
Mm-hmm.
uh, at 12 p.m., I was sleeping and listening music.
Okay.
So
Then,
suddenly I felt earthquake.
oh,
So
from which city you belongs to?
I belongs to Khuzdar, district Khuzdar, Balochistan.
Okay, Balochistan, fine. So you feel the earthquake at that time and it gonna make you afraid?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, okay. Have you ever seen any kind of disaster at that day as well?
No,
You
I
didn't see
didn't.
any disaster?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, fine, Mumtaz Baloch. My next question to you, Mumtaz, is that like have you ever experienced the teaching things? Have you ever faced this thing that to teach somebody anywhere or anyone?
Yeah, I am also teaching tuitions to
Oh,
kids.
cool. And what kind of kids are they? Like from which standard they belongs to?
They are fourth or fifth grades students, nursery, KG,
Okay,
etc.
what are you thinking, man? Just let me know. What are you thinking? Being a teacher, it's easy to deal the students that are so young, or it's quite hectic for you being a teacher.
No, it's not a piece of cake to deal students and teach.
Hmm.
I think it's not a easy task to teach someone.
What are you thinking, man? It's easy to teach the child, or it's easy to teach the adult students. What are you thinking about?
Uh, Teaching adults is easy as compared to kids.
Kids. Okay. Okay, ji. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, man. I'll ask
Thank you.
two
Thank you.
questions. Thank you for participating. I'll ask two questions from every candidate. Keep in mind, okay? So yes, from the female sides now. From the female side, say yes in the comment if a female wanna talk to me. Sadaf Shahid. Once again, I'm saying try to contribute and try to speak. The more you speak, the more you learn. The more you speak, the more you feel confident in yourself. Sadaf, I'm going to open your mic, accept the notification, and come here. Sadaf Shahid.
Assalamualaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum assalam. First of all, check out your mic. Your voice is just so bad right now. Speak something.
Hello. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Now my voice.
Okay. Quite better. Okay, Ji. So, my first question to you is that talk about a special day, which was like you wanna get, you wanna buy everything. Like you didn't take care about your pocket, you didn't care about your money. That day is so much important for you. Do you have in any kind of day in your life?
No, ma'am. I have no that kind of day because I think
Why?
I
Why?
we all I because I think money is a big issue for me.
Wha- Like when like what's about
I
you?
can't
Like you
imagine.
are a student. You are a student.
No, ma'am. I am married, but I think as you are questioning,
So
I get
so you
everything.
have to you
But
have to you have to do a lot of shoppings on your husband's pocket. Why are you worrying about the money?
because, ma'am, when I used to go for the shopping, um,
Hmm.
I always select some cheap rate things.
Okay.
That's why I'm
Uh,
saying
like
not
let
easy.
me know. Let me know how you gonna
Yes.
celebrate
Mm.
your anniversary. How you gonna celebrate? Didn't you do any kind of shopping at that day as well? At that time you
Uh,
try to be the normal. You didn't celebrate your anniversary.
no, ma'am. I celebrate, but I
Hmm.
just pick up one cake
Hmm.
and take one dressing from my wardrobe and
Cupcake. Cupcake.
and
Cupcake. Cupcake. Do some cheap things, huh?
no,
Do
ma'am.
something.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. At that day, you spend some money. At that day, you thought I have to buy the cake now.
Ye- yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. I really, do you know what? That's why the females are so skillful. They always take care about their husband's money. Well, let's move towards to the next question, my dear. So my next question to you is that talk about a toy that you actually like a lot when you were child. When you were child, not about your own child. Talk about any toy from the childhood when you were child and you just love that
Yes,
toy. Do you have in any kind of things?
yes, ma'am. I have a lot of toys in my childhood, and my dolls are always my favorite. And
Hmm.
one doll that was given me, gifted me to
By
my
whom?
teacher from my teacher. I'm not sure I am speaking right or wrong. Ma'am, you correct me. And my teacher gave me a doll, and I was very happy at that time. But my brother broken my doll. At that time, I was very crying at that time in my childhood.
ओके सदफ लेट मी नो कि आपको मेरी आवाज क्लियर आ रही है
Hello, yes, ma'am.
क्या आपको मेरी आवाज क्लियर है मुझे आप प्रॉपरली सुन सकती हैं
Yes, ma'am. I can listen.
ठीक है
But
ओके
ma'am,
फाइन
I think मेरा issue होगा.
ओके फाइन थैंक यू सो मच सदफ जी जब सदफ को मेरी आवाज क्लियर जा रही है तो हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल कि आप लोगों को क्लियर नहीं आ रही बताइए जी कैन यू गाइस हियर मी पहले बताएं ताकि हम आगे चल सकें बताएं जी कितने लोगों को मेरी आवाज क्लियर साल कंटिन्यू मुझे यस कहेंगे क्लियर कहेंगे तो मैं इसको कंटिन्यू कर पाऊंगी अगर ऐसे बीच में से सबकी आवाजें ये आ रही होंगी कि क्लियर नहीं है मिस वी कुडंट एयर यू वी कैन डू दैट सो आई कैन कंटिन्यू एज वेल तो बताइए जी सबको क्लियर है जी सबको क्लियर है ना चल रहा था ना कॉन्वर्सेशन अच्छी खासी चल रही थी भाई Okay, ji. So let's move towards the male candidates again. So who wanna speak? Who wanna speak, ji? Who wanna speak? From the male side. From the male side. Where is the male candidates? क्या मतलब सिर्फ एक आधा बंदा, ये मेल्स में कोई कैंडिडेट ही नहीं है हमारे पास? ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? ओके, ये डिमॉन किंग से बात कहते हैं जी, जरा डिमॉन किंग से बात कहते हैं. Why he didn't still change his name? जी डिमॉन किंग, can you please open the mic? Accept the notification, man. I'm waiting for you and then continue that. Yes, sir. Can I get up your introduction? Demon King. Demon King play वो हाइड एंड सीक खेल रहे हैं आप मेरे साथ? ओके जी, he's here. Again he is not. Demon King मैं लास्ट टाइम ओपन कर रही हूँ जी, अगर आपने एक्सेप्ट कर लिया so I'll be there, वरना मैं किसी और का माइक ओपन कर दूंगी.
हेलो
जी सर. सर कैन आई गेट ए प्रॉपर इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ योर्स? जरा अपना तारुफ तो कराएं हमें.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम
वालेकुम अस्सलाम. प्लीज इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ.
my name is Zaid and I am from Faisalabad and I am a student of first year ICS
ओके.
so yes, ma'am
Why you didn't write your name your on this device? Why you have wrote it Demon King? What is the reason on the back?
because my email ID is Demon
You're a
King.
king?
No ma'am.
Because you are a king, is it?
No ma'am.
Then
Ma'am, because my Gmail ID in this name.
okay, fine. Okay, so let me know something about Faisalabad. Like, if somebody gonna comes to Faisalabad, so how you gonna introduce Faisalabad in front of other people? Introduce your city.
Ma'am, Faisalabad is very beautiful city and
Is there anything that is so famous in Faisalabad instead of Faisalabadi people?
ma'am, Faisalabadi people is very funny and
Yeah, that's why I'm saying the guys are so funny, so they are so famous. Let's talk
yes.
about some things instead of their human beings. Forget that and just talk about their things. What exactly the famous thing in Faisalabad that's
Ma'am, your
available?
voice is not clear.
Can you hear me now?
Hello.
Yes, can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Is it
Yes, ma'am.
okay or not?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, I'm saying talk about things in Faisalabad that you thought being a Faisalabadi that's the most famous thing and that is the only thing that is available in Faisalabad only. Anything that you thought that's it's like bravo.
Yes, ma'am.
What?
Um,
Okay. Talk about your family, something like your how many siblings you have? How many siblings you have, Demon King?
ma'am, I am four. My mother, my sister, and I am elder brother.
Okay.
Yes, I am 4 person in my house home.
You are? You're what? I missed it. You are what? Can you hear me, man?
Hello.
Yeah. I'm saying you are what? You
Hello.
are what in I think he has some internet issue and he couldn't get me. So I have to close his mic again. और
Ma'am, your
ऐसा
voice.
नहीं हो सकता जी. We couldn't continue the conversation due to this internet issue. So let's move towards the next candidate जी. कौन आ रहा है जी? Say yes if from the female sides now. Okay जी. Let's talk to Haya Ali. Haya Ali, I'm going to open the mic of Haya now. Haya Ali. Yes, Miss Haya.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम मैम.
Walaikum assalam. Haya, how many friends you have?
I have lot of friends.
Oh my God, you are so friendly person.
Yes, ma'am.
Then why you didn't make me your friend?
If you are interested, then I will. If you don't mind.
it mean it means if we wanted to be your friend, so at that time we must be interested in you. In short, is it? It's a
If
criteria
you
of your
don't
friendship.
mind, no, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
If
Okay.
you don't mind that, I don't have any issue.
Okay. If I don't mind, so you don't have any issue to be my friend, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, G, fine. So from the day to till the last day of our session, Haya and me, we both have friends. Okay. So
Okay.
let's
Thank you
compile
so
it.
much.
Fine, G. Okay, Ji. So Haya Ali, let me know what exactly the friendship is. Can you describe the friendship? Okay, Zamina, I got it, Zamina Aruj. Ji, Haya, can you define this relationship of friendship? What are you thinking? What does mean by friendship?
In my point of view, a friendship is not in a class friendship, or a friendship is like a royal relationship between two people.
Hmm.
No status matter.
Hmm.
If we talk like in a classroom, if we make friends, no friends only behalf of studies
Hmm.
to use someone, or friendship is like if you have any issue, if other person have any issue, we discussed without any kind of hesitation. We talk our problems and ask the other person problems, try to solve problems.
Haya, who's your best friend?
Ma'am, all my friends are my best friends.
You are your best friend in short.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. When you got aggressive on you, so how you cover up your aggressiveness at that time when you get offended by yourself? So how are you gonna do that?
Ma'am, I go my father and sit and talk my father.
And at that way you're gonna cover up your aggressiveness. Is it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Ji, thank you so much for defining us
Thank
about the friendship. Thank you so much, Haya. So let's move towards to the last candidate, and after that we'll take a azan break. Yes, from the male side now. Males. Taha is in front of इन द एंड मेरी मेल्स की बात कर रही हूँ मेल्स पता नहीं इतने स्लो क्यों है मुझे नहीं पता वेल ये जो अभी सामने आ रहा है ना देखिएगा जरा फिर सेशन के एंड में भी जरा चीजें चेक कीजिएगा आप ताहा वनेरी यस ताहा यस ताहा काइंडली एक्सेप्ट द नोटिफिकेशन आई हैव सेंडेड यू उसको एक्सेप्ट कीजिए एंड जस्ट कम हियर ताहा वनेरी okay ji let's take a break of azan and after that we'll continue it just wait for the 2 minutes I'll be very thankful of everybody Okay, Ji. So let's take a start again. So what we were talking about. So what's about others, Ji? Who wanna say yes? Say yes in the comment. I'll open the mic of that person again. So we'll continue. Let's begin with whom? With whom? It's a Taha Buneri. I think that was the last candidate I have selected before Azan. So let's listen to Taha again. Taha, I'm sending you the notification. Check out your screen. There would be an option to unmute yourself. Just unmute yourself and come here. Taha Buneri, kindly accept the notification. Yeah, he's there now. How are you, Taha?
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum
I'm fine
assalam.
and
Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, Taha, let me know any sportsman that you admire a lot and you thought that that man is just bravo.
Sportsman. Ma'am,
Yeah.
I like cricket. In cricket, I love all the West Indies player. They are a great sportsman.
Hmm. And any of your favorite one, you thought that that person is just above than anybody.
In West Indies cricket, ma'am, I love Darren Sammy. His spirit of cricket, his spirit of sportsmanship is so high. And I just thought, and I just watch from PCL first. So that's why I like that they are a great sportsmanship quality they have.
Okay. Taha, talk about any traditional product of Pakistan that you have bought.
Traditional, what kind of?
Product. Anything that you thought like when we move towards to any region, Pashto people have their own traditional products. In Punjab, the people have a lot their own related to their traditional things. In Sindh, there is a lot of things. So, have you ever bought any traditional dress or any traditional homemade things like anything you have bought?
Traditional, like clothes, etc.
Yeah, exactly.
बस मैम ट्रेडिशनल का तो we are living in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Bunia district. So now all Pakistan traditional is not something, but they are wearing the female are wearing some sort of hijab. So that's a traditional here only in Bunia, Sawabi dates area, not all over the KP. They wearing like but I say mostly say hijab. So this is like they have red dots on it. So this is a traditional that I always sometime mom or buy but for my mother, my sisters.
Okay, Ji. Thank you so much, Taha Banedi, for sharing your views that are speaking to us right now, making yourself bounded to speak in English. So, who will be the next? And maybe that candidate would be the second last candidate. Yes, who wanna talk to me? Please say yes in the comment. I'll open the mic of that person. Okay, Ji, it's a who, it's a Sidra Minhaj. It's a Sidra Minhaj now. Let me talk to Sidra Minhaj. Sidra, I'm going to unmute you and let's look at her turn. Sidra, accept the notification. Sidra Minhaj.
Assalamualaikum, Miss.
Walaikum assalam. Sidra, how are you?
I'm fine, Miss. What about you?
I'm good as well. Okay, Sidra, let me know something that any personality in the life you just admire a lot. Any person.
Ma'am, I think confidence level is a big thing which I admire.
Okay, you didn't admire the human beings, anybody that you thought that this person is, I just want to be like that.
I guess I wanna to be motivational speaker because
Why?
they telling us, I like Kasim Ali Shah. He's a good motivational speaker, so I'm admiring his. And another one, my mamu, he's a professor of college, so I'm admiring him as well. And my mom and my all family members doing teaching profession. All
And what are
family
you
members.
doing? What are you doing?
Ma'am, I'm completing my intermediate and I want to take my admission in B.Ed honors education. And I also want to be a continue teaching faculty. my future.
And why you want to be a teacher? Because your whole family is teacher, that's why?
Yeah, ma'am. That's why. Because they are admiring me. They all are admiring.
Like you have a lot of teachers in your family, so why don't you think to switch your profession? Why don't you go towards anything else?
Ma'am, because it's good one and it's this profession taken respect as well. That's why.
Okay, fine. Thank you so much, Miss. Thank you for your participation. Let's move towards to the last candidate now. Let's move towards to the last candidate, and the last candidate we have is Musarrat Fatima. That's it, Ji. I'm going to open the mic of Musarrat Fatima now. Musarrat Fatima. मुसर्रत फातिमा लेट मी सर्च ये तो दो मुसर्रत हो गई भाई ये कौन सी वाली को ओपन करना है देयर इज अ टू मुसर्रत फातिमा व्हाट डज इट मीन नहीं जी ये तो गलत हो गया ओके अब ये यस मी वाली कौन सी है जी कुरत को कर लेते हैं छोड़ें जी मुसर्रत आपको फिर कभी करेंगे कुरत को करते हैं जी ओके कुरत एक्सेप्ट द नोटिफिकेशन कुरत
Assalamu alaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum assalam. Miss Kurat, do you know how to make a tea?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please serve us? Can you make a tea for us? Right now. Hurry up. You have 2 minutes to make a tea.
Ma'am, is it my voice is clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
Ma'am, I can't understand what are you saying. Please repeat it.
I am saying make a tea for us. Make a tea. Make a tea for us.
Make a team?
Make a tea. Tea.
Sorry, ma'am, I can't understand.
T-E-A. Make a tea for us. Tea. 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 Can you understand me now what I'm saying? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am, I understand.
Actually,
yes,
after listening,
sure. I can make.
After listening a lot of English, we guys are so stuck right now. We wanna take a tea to make ourselves fresh. So that's why we are just waiting for you. So make a tea for us. We wanna take that. Yes, please prepare the tea.
Oh, ma'am, method with I can tell you the method of tea.
Yeah, exactly. Share the recipe, share the whole method.
Yeah.
Come on, hurry up. You have 2 minutes only. Hurry up.
Yes, ma'am. Firstly, boil the water and then put tea into the water and then put
and
the
where
tea.
Should we, where should we boil the water? You didn't use
kettle.
the flame in kettle, and where should we put the kettle?
Yes, put the water into kettle and then boil it and then put
should we
the
boil
tea.
it? Where should we boil it? The question is that where should, without opening the flame, without using the stove, how can you go for that? How can you boil the water?
No, ma'am.
So do it
after opening the flame, put the water into kettle and then kept on the flame.
And where should we open the flame? Anywhere? Even in the room, we just fire the flame. We just fire the flame.
No, ma'am.
Then where should we do that?
Ma'am, firstly, we open the flame and then we put the water and
कहाँ
then we
खोलेंगे?
put
अरे भाई ये फ्लेम कहाँ की खोलेंगे? कहाँ की? Just let me know about it ना.
In kitchen.
कहाँ? In kitchen. अच्छा kitchen की किस? In kitchen anywhere.
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा किचन में हर जगह कहीं भी आग लगा के उसके ऊपर बर्तन रख दो जी चाय बन रही है. What do you wanna say? What you wanna say? Let me know about. Like what are you doing? Okay जी, thank you so much. I have a 1 minute जी. I have to close it. ये गलत है जी. अगर ऐसी चाय बनाई ना अम्मा जी ने घर से निकाल देना, मैं बता रही हूँ. पता लगेगा किचन में आग लगी हुई होगी चारों तरफ. Yeah, what exactly the निकाला था. Well, let's compile it जी. Listen to me what I'm saying now. I have a 1 minute only, so let's compile up each and everything. This exactly the podium session. Just gonna show you something that what will happen in your advanced classes. The only thing is that I will make you bounded to speak in English, and we are both making a lot of conversation with each other. सिर्फ डेमो था, ये आज डेमो था. जिन लोगों के लेक्चर्स के टाइम पे माइक्स ओपन नहीं हो, you don't need to be worry about anything. We have 5 lectures more on which we're gonna do a lot of things about the presentation, about the interviews, about the basic things, about the different conversation, about the DD, about the group discussion. There would be a lot of things we have to do at that day, so don't need to be worried about anything. So I hope so that you guys will have enjoyed this thing, because it's the very first time that I have allowed everybody to speak to me, do some conversation. याद रखिएगा ये कम्युनिकेशन की क्लास है, यहाँ पे आप तमाम लोगों को मुझसे कम्युनिकेट करना होगा. That's what I want. उर्दू में आ जाता है, काफी देर हो गई है अंग्रेजी करते हो ना, मेरे ख्याल से काफी बंदे तो थक भी गए होंगे, कहेंगे यार मिस क्या हो रहा है, आप ऐसे मतलब अंग्रेजी में हमें किताब वो कर दिया. तो द थिंग इज दैट, जरा थोड़ी सी उर्दू में आ जाते हैं. 1 मिनट और लूंगी तमाम लोगों का. तो करना ऐसा है कि नेक्स्ट सेशन दोबारा से स्विच बैक बायलिंगुअल में ही चलूंगी, यानी कि हमारे बेसिक सेशन होगा अगली क्लास में. आज की कोई असाइनमेंट नहीं है, ऐश करें, सुकून करें, एंजॉय करें, बट कीप इट माइंड बाउंड योरसेल्फ टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश. कल आपका लेक्चर का जो है वो ओपन टाइम, कल आपके लिए फ्री बाउंड्री है. कोई टॉपिक भी असाइन नहीं करे, जिस आप लोग अपनी मर्जी का टॉपिक चूज कर सकते हैं. कल की डिस्कशन के लिए आप लोग अपनी मर्जी का टॉपिक चूज कर सकते हैं, जिसका जो दिल करता है एक दूसरे से बात कीजिए, मगर इंग्लिश में. मुझे उर्दू बोलता हुआ अगर वहां कोई भी नजर आया, कल का दिन सिर्फ और सिर्फ टॉपिक में असाइन नहीं कर रही. कल जो आप लोगों की ऑफलाइन क्लास होगी वहां आपकी मर्जी चलेगी. आज आपकी कोई असाइनमेंट नहीं है, सुकून से ऐश कीजिए. नेक्स्ट हम अपनी क्लास में मिलेंगे, वहां पे आप तमाम लोग फ्रेश एक असाइनमेंट के साथ चलेंगे. और ये आपकी बेसिक की सेकंड लास्ट क्लास है आज. इसके बाद आपकी सेकंड लास्ट क्लास अभी होनी है. उसके बाद इंशाल्लाह हम तमाम लोग फुल टोटल इंग्लिश में मूव कर जाएंगे, बायलिंगुअल छोड़ देंगे, और एडवांस क्लासेस आपकी टोटल ऐसे ही होंगी. सो थैंक यू सो मच. अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा. इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट सेशन में आप तमाम लोगों से मुलाकात होगी. तो तब तक के लिए अल्लाह की अमान.